Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine and have done your work very clearly. So today we are going to continue with the chapter number 4, which is subtraction of your book. Till then we have completed up to question number 6. Okay, from your book we have done question number 6. Okay, so today we are going to do question number 7, which is subtract the sum of 83,241 and 73,257 from 3,45,678. So as from the question you have get it that subtract the sum of, first of all you have to find out the sum of 3,241 plus 73,257. So when you get it, so you will get the answer as 1,56,498. I hope you all get it. From where we get it? It's 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. So what you have to do, subtract the sum of both the numbers subtracted from 3,45,678, which is written over there. From 8 minus 8, 0. From 7 you can't subtract 9, so we will borrow from the 6, it will become 5 and the 7 will become 17. From 17 when you subtract 9, that means take away, so you will get 8. From 5 when you subtract 4, easily you get 1. Now again from 5 you can't subtract 6. So what you have to do, you have to borrow from there. Okay, so it will become 4. Okay, from 5, yes. So 14 it will become 15. From here you can borrow 1, so it will become 15. From 15 you can subtract 6, then you will get 9 and it will become 3 because we take borrowing. Okay, so from 13 when you subtract 5, take away 5, you will get 8. From now it will become 2 only, left over 2. So from 2 when you subtract 1, you will get 1. Okay, so as we have done question number 7, we are doing what? Next question 8. Subtract the sum of 1,34,561 and 87,541. It means first of all you have to add 1,34,561 and 87,541. Okay, add first both the numbers, then subtract it from the 3,56,789. Now come to question number 9. This kind of a question we have done in where we have done it in question chapter 3 addition. Right now we have done it like the question. So from 18, what you have to do, 18,000 subtracted from 9,10,000. First of all write the given number in numerals, proper numerals, so that it will make easier to you. Okay, so 18,000, as I written 18,000 subtrahend, it is becomes subtrahend because 9, 10,000, 9, 10 and 1,000. 9, 10 means 90, that means 90,000. Okay, so the bigger number always be minus and you have to write minus above the subtrahend. So that's why it is very necessary for you first find out which is minus and which is subtrahend, otherwise you will commit a mistake. Okay, so 90,000 from subtract 90,000 18,000 from 90,000. Okay, so from 90,000 when you subtract 18,000, so you will get 72,000. Okay, so part B, this is part B. 6,1,200 subtracted from 8,400. Again what you have to do in that, first of all convert the following given numbers in the numerals. So 6,000 and 1,200 from 8,400. Okay, so it will become 7,200 from 8,400. So from 8,400 you have to subtract 7,200. Okay, so when you subtract 7,200 from 8,400, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. From 4 when you subtract or take away 2, you will get 2, and when you subtract 7 from 8, you will get 1. So the answer is 1,1200. So by that way, What you have to do, you have to do question number 8, question number 9, part A, B, C and D. Please leave part E of question number 9 because it is wrongly written. It is noted down wrongly. Because from 5 lakh you can't subtract 6,72,000. Okay? Or we can convert it later on when we met, whenever, or otherwise you can leave that question and come to the word problems. Now as you done the story problems, story sums in the addition, so please try exercise, word problem. I'll tell you some of the questions, like what number is 38,947 less than 1,50,000? In that question, what you have to do, question number 10, just subtract. No need to write any statement. Question number 10 is over there. What you have to do, 1,50,000 is your minus and the 7. Okay, now you can see me now. I am start writing from the right hand side because I think there is a variation in the place values of the given number. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract it. Now I am going to do that sum for you also because it has a lot of zeros. From 10 you can't do. So from where we take that carryover, I am going through with that. So that 9, that 10 will become 9. Again that 10 will become 9. Again that 10 will become 9. Now because we have to take and carry borrowing only from 5. From 0 you can't take any borrowing. So you will have to go forward. आपको आगे आगे बढ़ते जाना है. So ये 10, this one 10 will become 9, this 10 will become 9, this 10 will become 9 and this 5 will become 4. So from 10 when you subtract 7, 3. From 9 you subtract 4. From 9 you subtract 9. From 9 subtract. Now from 1,11,053 will be your answer. I hope you can do it. What number should be added to 77,832 to get 1 lakh? So what you have to do? Subtract 77,832 from 1 lakh. Okay class? What number should be subtracted from 1,20,000 to obtain 67,780? So what you have to do? Simply subtract the subtrahend from the minus. In that question, question number 12, what you have to do? You have to find yourself which is minus and which is subtrahend and find the difference out of these. Okay, till question number 12 you have to do. Now we are remaining with the 8 questions. I am going to solve it in your next class. And if you have any problem with the addition, subtraction or any chapter of the term 1, you can ask me any question, any query, any problem in your online classes or through the messages when you, with whatever you drop on the YouTube channel. When and as and when I will check the questions, I will give you the answers through the messages only. Okay, so please do your work very carefully, very hardworkingly. Okay, because we are all are doing very hardworking. Okay, so we will expect the same from your side, students. So please do your part. Okay, don't think anything else. Okay, so till then, bye, take care.